Hi guys, welcome to another video. I have been shopping. Yes, I have. I've been shopping. I was invited to a Louis Vuitton event in Manchester, and it was for the introduction of the Flight Mode collection. So what did I see? What did I love? What did I buy? Let's get going. So guys, this collection is mainly ready to wear, but there are a couple of bags, and the main bag that has been launched is what we all know. It's been all over social media. It's been all over Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, everywhere. And it is the Inside Out Neverfull. So I managed to get my hands on it because I wanted to see it. And what do I think of it? We'll have to wait and see. You will have to wait and see. But while I was there, I also looked at some gorgeous ready to wear. Gorgeous ready to wear. It's so expensive. Oh my goodness. Some of the t-shirts were really cool. Some of the, this grey, what would you even call it? Like a bomber jacket, but more in a fabric. Oh, just beautiful, but so expensive. I think that was over £3,000. Some of the t-shirts were, I think, about 600, 650. Oh, and then they've brought out these puffer jackets. Absolutely stunning. Now, I thought that this colour might be a little bit brown, beigey for me, but actually it's a really lovely like bronze. It's stunning. Absolutely stunning. I saw this lady trying it on and I could not help myself but to go over to her and say, "You look amazing. It looks so cool." Because she was, I'm not sure. I said, "It looks absolutely fabulous on you." So I don't know if she bought it or not. I am not sure. And I also bumped into an absolutely gorgeous subscriber. This has happened a couple of times to me now, and it just feels really surreal when it happens. I sort of forget that I'm on the internet. I sort of forget that I actually put this out there. I feel like I'm talking to the camera, and then I realise that I am talking to a community of people, but when I go out into the real world, I don't realise that people might even watch something. It's a really bizarre feeling, it really is, but it's so lovely. It's so lovely. And this lady was called Nicola. So hi Nicola, if you are watching. You were with your gorgeous hubby, and yeah, I hope you bought a few absolutely beautiful things because you were looking at some amazing things. And yeah, it was so lovely to meet you. But yeah, I had a really good look around Manchester. Now, Manchester is not the biggest Louis Vuitton store. It's not. And I obviously do all my shopping in London. But I did pick up something. I did. I felt like I was cheating on James. But anyway, I did pick up something because they only had one of these. Or so they say. They only had one of these in store. And I really, really liked it. Anyway, let's get on to the bag. So, the Inside Out Neverfull. What do I think of it? Well, they had two in store. They had the black version and they had the tan version. For me, it was black all the way, obviously. Although I do, anyway, let's not talk about tan. So the black one was fabulous. I thought it was really lovely. It felt really soft, supple, malleable. It felt slouchy. So basically it is the black leather, and then it's got the monogram canvas on the inside which you can reverse, and therefore you get the black leather trim, which I love with monogram. I think it just suits it so well. And obviously you don't need to worry about the patina on the leather and all of the rest of it. So I really appreciated that it's actually lined or edged in black leather. I like that you can make it look both ways. I think it is really, really nice. It comes with this pouch as well, which am I the biggest fan of? I think it's a good size pouch, but the actual design of it, I know it's from the inside pocket of the original Neverfulls, but would I use that separately as a pouch? Probably not. I think it's designed so it goes on the outside of the handles as a little, I don't know, a different feature. So then you've got the pocket on the outside. I'm not sure I would ever use it like that. Would I buy one of these? Now, I sort of think maybe. It's a maybe. It's not a absolutely die-hard, I love it, I have to have it. The reason that holds me back every single time with the MM size is the strap drop. I just wish the strap drop was just a little bit bigger and it could get on your shoulder a little bit more comfortably. I actually tried it on my shoulder, and with the jacket I was wearing, I could get it on my shoulder, but anything bulkier than that, and it was a little bit of it's not the most comfortable. Now, somebody did say in one of my videos in the comments that the Neverfull, the strap drop of the GM and the MM is the same. It just feels shorter on the MM because it's a smaller bag, and so it hits the actual end of the bag, I suppose, hits higher, and it just makes the whole thing feel like it's higher. I don't know about this. I want you guys, let me know, is that true? I should have asked the gorgeous SA, who was called Andrew, by the way. I should have asked him to get out one of the GM Neverfulls, and I could have actually compared them, because that was, yeah, I should have done that at the time. Maybe next time I'm in Louis Vuitton I'll be doing that. Just an inch or two longer in that strap drop. That's all I would ask for, and then I think it would be an amazing bag. The price of it, I think it was 2,000. I'll put it on the screen, 2,000 and something. So it's obviously more than the canvas Neverfulls, which it's going to be because it's got the leather reversible aspect to it, and it's got the different pouch, and it's just something a bit different. So what do I think? Well, I am going to wait because there's another drop coming, and this is the one where you've got the colourful interior that's reversible, and I can't decide whether it's going to be awful or really cool, and I need to see it in the flesh. And these ones have crossbody straps with them. They have D-rings on the end, they have a longer strap. These are going to be more interesting, I think. Anyway, I'm going to wait, and I'm going to see which of those, if any, I like. I think there's like a fuchsia one. I don't know what colours are coming. I need to have a look. I will put on the screen if I can find any photos of what is to come. But my overall impression of the inside out, I think it will do pretty well. I think Louis Vuitton are trying to do a twist on something that's the iconic one, and they're always trying to think of some other iteration of it to sell more. We will see, won't we? But it felt really lovely, very light, the leather felt lovely, I'm not gonna lie. Anyway, you want to see what I actually picked up. This was not part of the flight mode collection. This is just something that I saw and I just thought, I really like that. I really like that. So can you tell by the size of the box? And yes, it was the only one in the store. Now, I think I could have possibly got these online as well, but to be fair, while I was there, I thought I may as well just get them. So they come in, can you see them? They are earrings, they're not even in the pouch because I've been playing with them. So it is these absolutely beautiful hoops. Now I'm hoping that these come up. If not, I will do some cutaways. So these are hoops that have some of the monogram canvas, and then they're edged with gold. Obviously not real gold, they're just costume jewellery. And I just thought that these, I'm going to put them in. I thought that these were really cool. Now, one thing to note, they are slightly heavy, I'm not going to lie. They're not uncomfortably heavy, but they are heavy enough that they, well, I suppose they feel weighty and really nice. But also they can feel a little bit like they're dragging your ear slightly, but I like them, and I'm not going to be wearing them every day, so I think they'll be fine. So let's get these on. What do we think? I really like them. I probably made my ears really red now. I always do that, but yeah, I think these are really cool. What do we think, guys? When I was in Louis Vuitton, I sent a picture of these to Amelia and said, what do you think? I think I'm going to get these. And she said, oh, I've been looking at those as well on the website. So I think they are new out. They are, yeah, they're a big hoop. I like a hoop. Not going to say any more than that. I do. And I think, yeah, if I had my hair up, I think it would look even more cool. So yeah, that is what I bought from Louis Vuitton. So let me know, guys, have you seen the inside out Neverfull? Is there any other Louis Vuitton bags that are coming out that you cannot wait to see? let me know. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on another one.